Hi guys, welcome back to the new video in this channel. Today I will guide you how to add link on the Instagram bio. The first thing you need to do is make sure you have the link copied that you want to add in your Instagram bio. And after that you need to open the Instagram application. Here let's tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you reach on this profile page, so here you need to simply tap on edit profile option. After that, let's tap not now. Here you can easily see add link option. Tap on it and now tap on add external link. Here you can simply paste the URL that you previously copied. And after that you can tap on title and give any title to this link. Once you have done that, let's tap on the tick mark at the top right corner. Once you do that, you can also add the Facebook profile link as well. But now let's go back, and here on the profile page you can easily view that I have added link in Instagram bio. So following this way you can easily add the link in Instagram bio. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this was, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the notification bell so that you can get the updates from this channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.